Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Clan. Today we'll be talking about exciting news of wide-scale interoperability between the Hedera network and Ethereum. On the 28th of October, the official Hedera Twitter page tweeted details in regards to a new interoperability network which will bring Hedera tokens and HBAR to the Ethereum and Polygon network. The new interoperability feature will see the leveraging of Hashport. Hashport is an enterprise-grade public utility which enables the flow of digital assets between decentralized networks in a quick, secure and cost-effective way, making it an ideal component to upholding the portability and connectivity of data between decentralized networks. With Hashport, users can connect to the Hashport web portal with their software wallets, supporting Hedera, Ethereum and Polygon, lock their HBAR or Hashport approved Hedera tokens, and create a representative version on the selected destination network. The use of Hashport to lock specific tokens associated with the varying networks it supports will give enterprises the ability to actively share datasets between varying DLT networks. This factor will contribute to the acceleration of the global adoption of decentralized networks and dApps associated with the varying blockchain networks. The interoperability platform Hashport is set up in a similar manner to the Hedera Governing Council, whereby a Hashport validator swarm is a decentralized group of diverse, industry-leading companies that secure the transactions passing through the Hashport portal. The governance model supporting Hashport, namely the factor by which a number of industry-leading companies secure transactions, will bring a strong foundational base to enable the formation of a decentralized network. Hashport will actively use the Hedera Consensus Service and Hedera Token Service, which will enable the immutable logging of user transactions in seconds through the Consensus Service, and the Hedera Token Service will enable the creation of representative tokens from foreign networks onto Hedera. The development and incorporation of the Hashport platform to enable the active capability of enabling interoperability and connectivity between networks will act as a stimulating factor in increasing the adoption of the Hedera network as a whole. With Hashport specifically geared towards enterprise utility, Hashport will provide the potential for businesses and large entities to use the platform for the sharing and portability of datasets between DLTs, and also leverage a number of token services for their activities. Hedera's integration into Hashport could be huge for the Hedera platform, namely due to more enterprises becoming aware of Hedera's network as a whole and the benefits the network brings, most notably the Hedera Token Service. Hedera offers low and predictable fees in regards to the minting of tokens, whereby the network offers a fixed fee of $1 to mint a token on the Hedera Token Service. This is in contrast to other networks such as Ethereum, whereby minting fees are directly proportional to traffic occurring on the network. Hedera will see increases in its utility through the use of Hashport, but also the direct migration of enterprises and dApps from the likes of Ethereum to Hedera. Alongside Hedera's innate qualities, low predictable minting fees and rapid transaction capabilities, Hedera also offers the USDC stablecoin. The presence of USDC coupled with Hedera's qualities may make the network highly beneficial for the building of decentralized exchanges or DEXs, and may put it ahead over the likes of Ethereum, whereby the current largest DEX in the world, Uniswap, which is directly built on the Hedera blockchain, faces excessive fees. A DEX based on Hedera would not fall victim to excessive transaction and gas fees. Thus, Hedera may become a more DeFi-friendly platform over the likes of Ethereum. Alongside Hashport incorporating Hedera into their infrastructure, the NFT platform Savor officially launched on the 28th of October. The Savor platform is aimed to empower global action that benefits society for generations to come by connecting artists, philanthropists, brands and change makers alike to build community around causes that matter. Savor will focus on value creation in the digital metaverse with wearable assets, physical redeemable artwork and unique ownership benefits. Savor, through its building on Infinity World's NFT engine, will provide the ability for the NFT marketplace being interoperable with multiple chains, most notably the Ethereum network. Interoperability in this instance will see NFTs being able to be actively exchanged between the networks in a seamless and transparent manner. While the platform will focus on using the Hedera Token Service as its core long-term NFT engine, Savor will also support the minting of NFTs on Ethereum. Savor's direct use of Hedera, coupled with the platform being able to be used on Ethereum, is an example of the NFT marketplace taking advantage of the interoperability mechanism between the two DLTs. This will lead to invariable increases in the utility of the Hedera network. Despite Savor love being able to be leveraged on both Hedera and Ethereum, the NFT platform has turned to Hedera to power its platform, namely due to the network being the most used public network by transaction count. In addition to being carbon negative as a network, Hedera is more than 10 million times more energy efficient than Bitcoin and more than 100 times more so than Visa. With interoperability becoming a reality between DLT networks, most notably between Hedera and Ethereum, the Hedera network will see invariable increases in its utility. Hedera may become the go-to platform for enterprise usage amongst DLTs in the world. What are your thoughts on Hedera's incorporation into Hashport? Is this news bullish for Hedera? Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.